Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you a very basic way of changing a shower head holder like this one that's gone very loose and doesn't grip onto the rail anymore. So there's a few tools you're going to need, including a multi-tool, but we are going to fit this, which is a universal riser holder. You can just clip this straight on and leave the old one there, but if you want to remove the old one, then follow these steps and we'll get that removed. So you are going to need a multi-tool. I will leave the link down below on a really cheap one you can pick up. So first of all, what you're going to do is carefully cut down the side of the riser rail and the holder. So at the front of the holder, you want to line it up just with the outside of the pole that goes up. And you just want to cut through the first layer, and if you're super careful, you can cut through the grey plastic that goes around the pole. Now here comes the fiddly bit. You've now got to get that off and behind the riser, so I suggest lifting up to the middle where there's the most flexibility, and you should be able to squeeze that behind like so. As you can see, it just slides off. Now there still is a grey little piece attached to the pole in my situation, which I also am going to need to cut off with a multi-tool. So just gently cut that about halfway through and you should be able to snap it off with a pair of grips, or you can cut it down the side like you did for the main riser and cut all the way through it. As you can see, that grey bit will then snap off. Give it a good clean. You can grab your new one, unwind it, clip it on and tighten it like so. Very easy and straightforward, and if it breaks again you can just replace it. Then all you need to do is turn it to the big hole at the top to take the shower, line it up and push it in like so. That has been how to change a shower holder. If this video has helped, please do like it, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if it has helped or if you've got any questions. See you around.